We have added many new features inside RouterCAD software to run with CNC routers, and one of our newest features is our parts list. Our parts list lets you create a list of parts, parametric parts for cabinets. So you can come in and just enter in your part names. It will create the parts for you with all the CNC operations. You can select export. We'll just call this cab parts. And we're going to save that. It's going to go through, export all the parts for you. Click here. We can nest all the parts. Click on code and have it display the code for you. So in less than 1 minute, you can have hundreds of parts ready to go with coding for a CNC machine. Just one of the many new features you'll find in a RouterCAD software designed to work with CNC machines. And this works with any design software. So if you have just a basic design software and you need the parts manufactured or code created for you and the parts defined, we can do that for you. Thank you for watching the video.